I have to stay on top of my game. I can't come back and be huffing and puffing just trying to lead a warm up. You know, I have to be able to practice what I preach. So if I'm telling someone that comes back from this situation that, hey, you need to go through this warm up and stay active, I need to be able to do it myself.
Let's go back to injury management.
So there's a combination of things. Also for health reasons, I have a number of injuries through my center line that if I don't manage them through exercise and maintenance, they will get worse.
So I'm pretty sure this is a lot more common. You know, a lot of people who love to train will have some injuries, and some nagging injuries are actually coming back. So what kind of advice would you give them in terms of managing said previous injuries?
It really depends on what the injury is. So I'll speak to my own injuries and how I manage those. So I have some neck injuries, some spinal neck injuries, as well as lower back, and a lot of tension through my mid back. And each of those requires a different type of maintenance. For my neck, I got a massage gun. I do a lot of self-massage on that. I also throw on some cream, some Icy Hot or some Tiger Balm cream while I do the massage to penetrate into the muscle itself. I exercise the muscles, so I bought a harness and weight system so I can do neck exercises to strengthen my neck. For the back, I have a lacrosse ball, a foam roller, and sometimes I get some help with the massage gun, so I just do some work on that. Also, I'm a chiropractor that's still open, so continuing to get some work done professionally. Otherwise, it's just making sure I target those areas with intention when I do my workouts to make sure that I'm not aggravating them, but I am keeping them active and strong.
You mentioned Miss Cat as a point of motivation.
My wife Kat inspires me because she is staying active. She's doing her CrossFit workouts with her same class that she was doing them in the studio.
Can you tell me what else would fill your cup?
Honestly, being able to continue to teach GC, either through our YouTube videos and now through the Zoom classes, is extremely motivating for me. It's really nice to get to see everyone on camera, and recently several people have been reaching out to me via text message, which has also been extremely motivating. And I found that the people in my life that are not active doing all this time tend to find inspiration from me talking about the things that I'm doing, which also makes me feel good about myself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.